In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove highlights from text in Constant Contact. If you've ever worked with email campaigns and noticed some text just doesn't look the way you want it to, this guide is for you. Let's make sure your emails look clean and professional. First, you'll need to open Constant Contact and access the specific email template you're working on. Scroll through your document and find the text with the highlight you wish to remove. This highlighting might be leftover formatting from a copy-paste action, or perhaps an intentional highlight that no longer fits the tone and look of your message. Once you've identified the highlighted text, select it by clicking and dragging over the text with your cursor. You'll want to ensure that all the highlighted portions are completely covered by this selection. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Here you will see an array of icons designed for different formatting options. Among these, you'll find the clear formatting icon, which is represented by a capital letter A with a line through it. This icon serves as your magic wand to strip away all unwanted styles, including highlights. With your text selected, click on this icon. You'll immediately notice that the highlight, along with any other extra formatting, disappears, leaving you with clean, plain text. However, we all have those times when the highlight just seems to cling on. If you find that the initial step didn't quite do the trick, don't worry. I have a workaround that should resolve the issue. It's a simple but effective trick. Strip the formatting entirely by utilizing Notepad. Here's how you can do this. Highlight the text in Constant Contact, right-click, or use the shortcut to copy it. Now, open Notepad on your computer. Notepad is a plain text editor available on most operating systems, making it a perfect tool for removing unwanted styles from your text. Once you're in Notepad, paste your text into the window. You'll notice that the highlight and any additional formatting are no longer present. This is because Notepad retains only the text content, discarding any styling information. Next, select the text from Notepad, copy it again, and return to your Constant Contact email. In your document, position the cursor where you'd like to paste the plain text and paste it in. Instantly, you should see the text as clean and simple without any unwanted effects like highlights or unusual fonts. And there you have it. Your email text is now free of those pesky highlights. Whether you prefer using Constant Contact's built-in tools or a quick trip through Notepad, maintaining the professional appearance of your emails has never been easier. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in improving the quality of your email campaigns. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your endeavors in creating beautiful, effective emails.